Is the Edelweiss Life Saral pension plan truly a safe route to retirement security, or are there smarter pension alternatives you should consider first? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual immediate annuity plan. So some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with guaranteed regular annuity income for life. It offers a life annuity option with a return of 100% of the purchase price. It allows flexibility to receive annuity payouts on a monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or annual basis. And it also includes the provision to avail a loan against the policy. It offers a joint life last survivor annuity option with a return of 100% of the purchase price on the death of the last survivor. So there are plan options and benefits that will differ based on what you have opted for, and some of the advantages of the policy are: a loan can be availed at any time after 6 months from the policy commencement date, and this policy allows for a hassle-free one-time investment that ensures a steady stream of income. So these are the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages like annuity payouts are fully taxable as per the applicable income tax slab rate, and annuity income is not adjusted for inflation here, and this policy offers a limited selection of annuity options. So policy surrender is allowed only under specific and restrictive conditions. So these are some of the drawbacks that we need to consider before deciding to invest in this policy. And if you do need to understand certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So here, let us assume that for calculation purpose, a 60-year-old male has invested a lump sum of 25 lakhs under plan option 1, life annuity with return of 100% of purchase price. So under this option, he receives an annual annuity of 1.39 lakhs. On his death, the original purchase price of 25 lakhs is returned to his nominee. So assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, the IRR on these cash flows works out to be approximately 5.48% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So while this annuity amount may seem reasonable at first glance, it remains fixed for life. In the face of rising living expenses and escalating healthcare costs, a static income stream may prove to be inadequate during retirement, where a growing or inflation-adjusted income would be far more effective. Another key limitation is liquidity. Once invested, the corpus remains largely locked in, with access permitted only under limited circumstances or upon the annuitants. So in conclusion, the combination of fixed payouts, absence of inflation protection, modest returns, and restricted access to capital makes this policy a relatively inefficient option for long-term retirement planning. So as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us now move on to another part of the analysis, where we are going to explore more efficient ways to deploy our retirement corpus and highlight strategies that can lead us to better long-term outcomes. So there are several fixed return instruments that currently offer higher returns than the Edelweiss policy, while still providing a predictable income stream, making them practical alternatives to traditional annuity products. So some of the examples are like senior citizen savings schemes, SCSs, bank fixed deposits, FDs, RBI floating rate bonds are some of the options that offer fixed returns for their respective tenures. But RBI floating rate bonds provide some protection against interest rate changes. However, none of these options adequately address the core issue of steadily rising expenses. To generate income that keeps pace with inflation, diversification across equity and debt becomes essential. So here, let us assume the same purchase price of 25 lakhs is invested in a diversified portfolio to generate inflation-adjusted income. The portfolio is structured with a 60:40 equity to debt allocation, where 15 lakhs is invested in equity for long-term growth and 10 lakhs in debt for stability and income. So equity returns are assumed at 12% per annum, while debt yields 6% per annum. So annual withdrawals begin at 1.39 lakhs, matching the annuity income from the Edelweiss policy. To counter inflation, withdrawals increase by 6% every 5 years, with the debt portion replenished from equity as required. For risk management, the equity allocation is gradually reduced and fully shifted to debt by 871. So even after meeting regular inflation-adjusted withdrawals, the portfolio is projected to retain a corpus of approximately 49.64 lakhs at the age of 85, which is nearly the double the return the purchase price offered under the Edelweiss policy. policy. So this approach not only delivers inflation adjusted income throughout retirement but also preserves the corpus beyond one's lifetime. The 60s to 40 allocation, so the phased shift to debt, are for illustrative purposes, for example purposes, which can be tailored based on your individual risk appetite, goals, on evolving financial needs. So this comparison here clearly demonstrates that efficient utilization of the retirement corpus can help ensure a comfortable retirement while also enabling the creation of a meaningful legacy for the next generation. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss Life Saral pension plan worth it or not? So this policy offers a regular income which may appear convenient for senior citizens. The annuity may initially be adequate to meet day-to-day expenses, but maintaining one's lifestyle and managing contingencies over time requires a growing step-up income rather than a fixed payout. One of the major limitations of the policy is its lack of flexibility. The plan provides a fixed annuity for life and significantly restricts access to the invested corpus, making it difficult to handle unforeseen expenses or emergencies, and it also has a high agent commission. So basic annuity or pension plans are generally ill-suited for retirement income as their rigid structure and limited features fail to accommodate evolving financial needs. To counter inflation and achieve long-term financial security, a diversified investment portfolio with periodic rebalancing is a more effective approach. A combination of equity and debt allows for better growth potential, income stability, and customization based on individual risk appetite and financial goals, recognizing that there is no one-size-fits-all solution. So retirement planning is a critical component of an overall financial plan. However, relying solely on a standard pension or annuity product may not address the diverse needs of all retirees.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.